In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix echo on Zoom. If you've ever been in a Zoom meeting and heard your own echo, or had others mention it to you, you know how disruptive it can be. Fortunately, there's a straightforward way to tackle this issue, and that's exactly what we'll be covering. First things first, let's dive into your Zoom application. Once you've got it open on your device, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll spot your profile icon. It's the small circular image or the initials of your account name. Give that a click, and a drop-down menu will appear with multiple options. Within this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Selecting this will lead you to a variety of choices you can customize to optimize your Zoom experience. It's worth taking a few moments to explore this area if you have time someday, as personalizing your settings can greatly enhance how you use the platform. For our purpose today though, we're going to focus on the audio aspect. Now, find and click on Audio in the Settings menu. This section manages all aspects related to sound, whether it's your microphone, speaker settings, or even testing your sound equipment. Once in the audio menu, the list of options might seem a little overwhelming, but don't worry, just scroll down the page a little to continue. The key part we're interested in here is the Advanced button. Clicking on Advanced reveals additional settings that aren't visible at first glance, which cater to more nuanced audio issues, like echo. This is a particularly helpful area when the usual configurations don't quite cut it for some of the more stubborn audio problems. Having made the necessary adjustments in the advanced settings, it's essential to test your microphone and speaker to ensure that they're functioning correctly together. To do this, navigate back to the main audio settings. This is where you'll find options to test both devices. Pay close attention to any feedback or repetition of sound when you test your microphone. If the echo persists, it might be worth exploring other, less obvious settings, or even reviewing the FAQs on the Zoom help page for deeper troubleshooting guidance. Another crucial thing to keep in mind is the physical setup of your microphone and speakers. It's important that these two devices aren't placed too close to each other. If they are, this proximity can often lead to feedback loops, which manifest as an echo during your meetings. So, make sure there's enough space between them to prevent this type of interference. With these steps, you should be well equipped to deal with any echo issues in future Zoom calls. Always remember that testing different settings to find what works best for you is key. By doing so, you'll ensure a smooth and professional sound quality for all your virtual meetings. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps improve your Zoom experience.